and come back. Hit the like button for this series. All right, let's go. Circle theorem number 9. So the diagram shows a circle with tangent PQR. So this is a tangent. Wait there. That's a PQR. I don't see that. Okay. I wonder if me not read. Hold on. The diagram shows a circle with the points, not tangent, the points PQR and S are lying on the same circumference. So that's, yeah. So that makes it a cyclic, right? That's what they're getting at. All right, let's go now. It says now, with the center mark O. All right. RP is a diameter. So where's RP? Yeah, that's the diameter. And AB is a tangent. So this is a tangent. All right. And the angle QSP is equal to 54, which is this. All right. So right away, guys, the first thing I'm looking at, there are so many things going on, right? So we have a tangent right here, a diameter right here, a tangent. So before we even start the question, we look at it. There's a triangle right here, right? So this angle should be 90 degrees. Tangent between a radii and a tangent is a 90 degrees. So we know that already. We can just start write down all the information then what we know. All right. So this is how you do circle theorem, guys. You always put down the information there. All right. So we know so this is a 90. And because this subtended by the diameter, we know say from here so to here so is also 90. And you just kind of put in them little information there as I go along. All right. Let's see what the question asks. It says determine the value of each of the following angles. Show detail working where possible and give reason for your answer. And X is a find X. I think that's probably the easiest one to find because we already know say this angle between the tangent and the radii. So this is the tangent and the radii are 90. So let us do that. Let's go by what we know. So we know say 2x plus 3x must equal to 90. And the reason, we can go down to that further. So I'll calculate the value of x first. Hit the like button now, guys. Now I see nobody hit the like button. Come on, man. Let's go. All right. So 5 into that goes 1 time with 4 or so. So that means that x work out to 18 degrees. So we know so x are 18. So boom. We know so x are 18. That's our first thing. That means we can find y right away. Because once you see the market, then we'll find y. All right, so since this is 18, this is 54, we need to find a little piece here. A piece here because this would have been 90 minus 54 for that piece here. 4 from that, leave 6, 5 from 8. So that's a 38, right? Hit the like button now, guys. Hit the like button, man. Let's go. So this would be 38 based off how we, as we made us earlier. So right here, so 38. All right, so we have 38 and 4. So this can't find y because angle is not triangle. It'll be this a 90 plus the 18. But we did get x to be 18. So that's our 108. That means if y is equal to 180 minus 108, we should work out to 2 make 10. That's 72. So y should be 72 degrees. Because remember, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So right here, so would be 72. They didn't ask for y, but we know once I mark it, they're gonna ask further down. So x are 18, and we know that angle between, that's the reason. I have to get the reason, guys. Angle between radii and tangent are 90. And tangent well 90 degrees. All right, so that's the first thing. And the next one for y, work out y already. Y equals 72, I think. Was it? Yeah. And that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. It's so difficult to write, guys, with this. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very difficult. So I'm gonna sum up to 180 degrees. So all three angles must be 180 degrees. And you add all three of them. All right. All right. Let me see now. What else? I'll go back on the diagram. What else? I think that was it. X, Y. That was it. Let's not add a letter. Oh, Z. So I asked if I find Z. That one could be tricky. No, it's easy, man. So it's a giveaway. All right. So what we know. All right, we're gonna look on the, as me see answer right away. We're gonna consider that triangle here. So let's just look at this one. Now zigzag it up. We're focused on it, right? Can use angles in a triangle and get it. There are other ways, but that one just jump out to me. So we know so this are 18 and this are 2 times 18. So this are 36. So that'll be 18 plus 30 for the angle here. How is that? And this is an isosceles, you know? Because this work out to 54. All right, it's a 54. So that give back the 108, right? So this should be 72. And it makes sense too, right? These are on the same segment. So this is 72. So y is equal to z. I never even say that first, but it never jump out to me. But yeah, so that's the reason. We could give them the reason there. Two reasons. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. We could use that. Or we could use in the angles in the same segment. Are equal. So guys, please ensure so you give CSEC the reason, them love the reason, all right? If you don't give them the reason, I'm gonna take off a mark. If I give the writing for this, it doesn't write so good, guys. I know, but I just have to do what I have to do. All right. So that would be the reason. All right, let's see if we can go down further. My eyes are so tired. This one, so in the diagram, shows straight road connecting town LMN. All right, boom. And the R, where are they? Yeah, that's all right. LR, LR, 18, yeah. LN, that. Basically, they might give us that, right? And they say calculate the angle MLN. MLN. All right, so basically, they might ask for the angle, right? So let's see what could I use. We don't know the measurement for this, but I think we could use the sine rule. Let me see first. Wait. Bam, bam. Yeah, we could use the sine rule. Considering this triangle, we could use the sine rule because we have the angle and we have the side. All right, couldn't be cosine because we don't know the angle for this and this. All right, but we could use this, so it would be length over, so that'd be 12 over sine 88. That could work. Equal to 10 over sine theta. But we don't know what the angle is. All right, so it would be sine theta equal to 10. This should be times 12, by the way. Cross multiply, right? And then 10 times the sin 88. All of this now, then we transpose. All right, we need a calculator for that part. So let me just punch them in on my calculator and see how much you work out to. All right, so let's see. Holy power, listen now, guys. 10 times, I want to do it part by part. 10 times sin 88. That works out to 9.9993. Hold on. So 9.993. So I'm going to divide this by 12 now and I'll give it 0.1. All right, so divided by 12. So that's 0 0.8. 0.0282828256892. Why I do this, guys? The more numbers you have, the more accurate it be. So all we do now, press shift on your calculator. I go see this sine inverse. Here press that, press the number here, and then it give you the answer. Let's see how much you work out to. 56.4. So this angle will be 56.4. All right, so there we have it. What else them asks us to find now? Let's go down. So the angle will be 56. Calculate the distance NR. Go back up. NR. Oh, which is this distance right here. Could use the cosine rule, sine rule again, I think. Let me see if we could use it. So we know this. We don't know this. We don't know the angle. No, we have to use the cosine rule then. Because we know the angle here and it's between two known sides. All right. So considering this triangle, I'll put it in a different color. Don't want you guys messing up. So this triangle we consider it. This is a very, very nice and impressive question by Csec. I actually love it. Why I love it, guys, it bring out the cosine and the sine rule in one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely love it. All right, so we know the angle here. So what the cosine rule says, we square this 12 and 12. So we square 12. So let's go. So it will be 12 square. Because you know if I'm gonna go a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it's 2 times 12 times 18. and then we cos the angle. All right, we don't remember the angle, so we have to go back up at top. So the angle at 25. All right. I always tell my students, put the portion here in a bracket for me now, as this are trouble. All right, so 12, 12, or 144 plus 18 times 18, that's all again. I'm really tired though. Hit the like button, guys. If you know, so Mr. Benny tired and still I try for you guys. 324. All right, so I can work out all of this now. 2 times 12. That's a 24 times 18. And then cos 25. So 24 times 18 times cos 25. And the final answer is 391. So we have 391. All right, let's go, let's go. So let's add 144 and 324. So that's 144 plus 324 to 468. So 468 minus 391. And remember, guys, after you do this, you have to find the square root. When I get the answer for this, so 468 minus 391, that's a 77. Then we'll find the square root of 77. And voila, we get the length. All right. So let's go. 77. What's the square root of 77? 8.77. So that means if a one decimal place, it will be 8.8. So our answer for this will be 8.8. Awesome question, Csec. I have to give it to them. Hit the like button, guys. If you're not subscribed, please ensure so you subscribe now. Right, let's go down to the next one now. So determine the bearing of tone R from L. Of R from L. So we are come from L and we are stop at R. I come from R. I come from L and we are stop at R. Okay, so I think it's rather easy. All of this would be the bearing, right? So it will be the 50 plus the 56, so we had to calculate, plus the 25, and that is our answer for the bearing. So that's our 106 plus 25, 131, 131.4. Check it for me, guys. I didn't put that in the calculator, degrees, but the bearing would be from here, come all the way around. So that works out to 131.4. All right. So we basically did all of the circle theorem 1, and you guys know is one of my favorite. What with this topic? 131.4 degrees. All right, so guys, this is an explanation. I'm gonna stop here, so guys, because I'm trying not to do some very long video, just some nice, spicy video and thing. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest. So stay tuned. So my number there, call me. I'm out, no doubt.